This video is about tangents and derivatives. You may have heard the expression going off on a tangent, which means taking a conversation in a very different direction from where it started. Mathematically, a tangent is a line that just touches a curve at a single point. Say you have an ice cream on a merry-go-round. If you drop it, the ice cream will fly off along the tangent to the path it was travelling along at the moment it was dropped. Or on a roller coaster, if you remove a section of track, you would keep moving along the tangent line to the curve of the last bit of track. At least you would if gravity wasn't pulling you back down to Earth. The slope, or gradient of the tangent line, represents the instantaneous rate of change of the function, and is called the derivative of the function. If the derivative is big, the function is changing quickly at that point. If the derivative is small, the function is changing slowly. Another word we need to know is secant line. A secant line is a straight line that connects 2 points on a function. The slope, or gradient of the secant line, tells us the average rate of change of a function between the 2 points, where the capital Greek letter delta, which looks like a triangle, means change in. If we move the 2 points closer and closer together, the secant line gets closer and closer to the tangent line. Mathematically, we represent this as a limit. So as the distance between the 2 points gets closer and closer to 0, the gradient of the secant line, the average rate of change, becomes the gradient of the tangent line, or the derivative of the function. Let's consider an example of a function y equals x squared, which makes a curve called a parabola. If we put one point at x and a second point some distance delta x further along, and connect the 2 points with the secant line, the slope of the secant line is delta y divided by delta x. Delta y is the difference between x plus delta x squared and x squared. Simplifying this gives the slope of the secant line as 2x plus delta x. If we now move the 2 points closer and closer together, the limit of this becomes 2x. So if x is 1, the slope of the tangent is 2, and if x is 2, the slope of the tangent is 4. So we've seen that a tangent is a line that just touches a curve at a point, and that the slope of the tangent is called the derivative of the function and tells us the rate of change of the function at that point. And finally, what is a cat's favourite cereal? Rice Krispies! Thank you for watching.